Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and I have created a greenhouse in miniature and I would like to show you all around. I hope that you enjoy the details, and I will tell you what I used and what I made to make this greenhouse. So why don't we start and take a look. Now these here that look like windows are 3 pieces that I bought from a lady at a flea market, and she told me that she made them by using a 3D printer. I paid $1 for all 3, and look at the beautiful window effect that they make. So inside of here I have placed most of my plants, miniature plants. I also placed a furniture piece here, which I made cushions for by using furniture felt pads. Then here I have a little garden going on, and what I'm using here is a desk organizer. The one that you see like that, it's in gold. It looks like a gate, like a fence. That is a 3-compartment desk organizer. Now the tall one here is for pens, pencils, scissors, rulers. This one here is for staples or clips. And this one here is for sticky notes. You can see that this one is squared. So I filled it all up with plants. Then I also incorporated Dollar Tree plants that I have bought over time. Then on this side here, I used some napkin rings, and I placed some artificial plants in there. Then here I have this plastic piece with 4 compartments. I filled it up with real soil. And what you see as a rake or as a shovel is really a coffee stirrer. I have another one right here. Let me show you this. You see what I'm saying? There's a picture of a cup of coffee. So I'm using this as a little rake. The flooring is just cork, a cork board. Then here I made these landscaping pieces by using wooden blocks that I glued together. I added real rocks and stones. Then we have an encased paper bird and this little piece here. Back there is a beautiful background, and it is perfect for a greenhouse. And this is what I have. Now the little plants were given to me by my friend Esther a while back. And then I have another gate here. This is a 2-tier shelf that also matches with that compartment, with that organizer. And that's it. This is my miniature greenhouse. I hope that you have enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.